What I'm going to show you is how to make the alternative lid for the Hexagon container box. Now remember, since this is the lid, we want to start out by bisecting the eye here in America. Bisect the eye. And the reason why we bisect the eye, because we want your container lid to be bigger than the bottom portion. So then fold in half. Keep this folded and fold in half. Go ahead and set that crease. Now we want to fold it into thirds, and how I fold into thirds is by making an S. So you want to make you an S, make sure your corners meet up. You got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Make sure all 4 meet up. And do the same for the bottom portion of the dollar. Go ahead and set those creases. Don't have to set them real good, but you need to set them so you can have a guide, because some of those are going to be valley folds once you finish. All right, now open it up, and you'll notice you actually have 7 segments, but one is going to be tucked under, and the smallest one is going to be the one tucked under. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now we're going to set the bottom of the container, and how you're going to do that is up under the 1, we're going to fold a straight line all the way across up under the 1 and above the $1. And we do that like so. Now after you have that set, where this edge meets the dollar, we're going to give it another fold. Right where that edge meets the dollar. Now go ahead and set those creases. And you don't want to start over here and drag your finger all the way down, because sometimes that'll mess the fold up. But starting from the center, you won't go wrong. Not too much. It won't go wrong as bad, but it'll pull your fold if you start from here and try to go all the way down. So don't start from there. If anything, start from the middle. All right. Now what we want to do is, on all those folds, we're going to exercise all the mountain folds and all the valley folds. We're going to turn those into mountain folds. Valley fold, mountain fold. Exercise that mountain fold that's already there. Valley fold, mountain fold, and again, if there's a valley fold, we're going to mountain fold. All right. Now, don't worry about this putting it to the end. Since this one is an odd shaped segment, we're just going to worry about those 6 for right now. We'll fold that one at the end. But now what we're going to do is valley fold from where this segment line meets the top of the lid corner here, the vertical and the horizontal where it meets here. We're going to do a valley fold all the way up to the top corner here of this mountain fold. Bottom of this mountain fold, top of this mountain fold. And we're going to do a valley fold. Like so. And if you guys don't know how to do the bottom of this container, I'll put a link down there at the bottom or the top corner to show you how to actually do the bottom of this container. I'm not gonna run through the container again. This is, it's already a link here, a video showing you how to do the top and lid. This here is just an alternative lid. Okay, now we're going to wrap it around and tuck this one side into this side like so. And you see how it doesn't quite line up, but you can hold it together, and on this same crease hold this back piece in place and crease on it. To show you where to fold this one at. And so this is where this segment gets folded. Like so. Alright, now tuck that back behind there again. And now what we're going to do, we're going to start setting it in place. We're going to twist and pinch. Twist and pinch. And try to exercise all the folds so it can lay down nice and evenly on the folds. And sometimes it can be difficult being this first start, but make sure all your folds are exercised so it can lay down in place. I had to do mine once more, but it happens. All right. Twist and fold. Twist and fold, twist and fold, and twist and fold, twist and fold. Okay. And now, for those of you who've made this before or seen it made, you know this is well, not the old, but the very first one container, top of the lid I've made. Now, the twist for this alternative one is you put a dime here in the center. And you're going to fold. Fold it over with each corner going in. Now, open it up a little bit. Now fold again to where it actually meets the edge of the dime. Do each corner while holding the dime in place. Now we're going to fold to the dime. And what that does is just gives the top a little something shiny to look at. See, I didn't crease that one down good enough when I folded it to the dime, but you can always go back and fix it. And there it goes with the bottom of the container. Leave that on the tip for your waiter or waitress, and that's a nice decorative tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.